Hello, WillowWay is a crop recommendation system which helps new farmers to select the most suitable crop for their land by considering the soil type, climate, rainfall, and crop data. The system also considering the market price as a factor for the recommendations so that the farmer will be able to gain more profit, but it is given as an optional input because nowadays people tend to grow plants for their own usage and not for business. The gap used in this project is also the consideration of the market price as a factor. The limitations are this project only considering vegetables and fruits as crops, and as the improvements of the system, a fertilizer recommendation will hope to do as the future work. So these are the UI elements of the crop recommendation system, and the landing page is displayed with the name of the system and the logo. Once we click the Predict Now button, the farmer or the user will find a form of the details to be entered to get the recommendations. First, the name of the farmer has to be entered and then the region. For an example, Kadavada, any region where the land is situated. And next, a drop-down menu can be seen by asking whether the farmer hopes to cultivate vegetables or fruits. Then the time period. This is so important because the farmer will be able to select the exact time period as the number of months or years where the farmer hopes to get the crop yield. And next, you can tick or untick this box as your wish. If it is business purpose, then you can select this box, or else you can unselect it and then get the recommendations. Once it is done, it out comes with the top 5 best crops suitable for the region selected by the farmer and in the given period of time. You can view more information by clicking this view button over here, and it out comes with the details of the crop selected. Here, the predicted yield is displayed in the second row. And that's all about the UI prototype. And as the core of the prototype, I have trained a dataset. For this purpose, I have used a dataset which is not related to Sri Lanka since the related dataset is yet collecting. In my Jupyter notebook, I have loaded this CSV file into a database which looks like this. And then I'm using some matplotlib visualization to figure out the relationship between my variables. Here I have uploaded soil and state, and you can see the relationship here in this scatter plot. I have prepared my X and Y here, and X as the soil type and cotton, and Y as the state or the region. The next thing I did was I used train test split method since it is a good strategy to split the dataset into two parts where you use part of the sample for actual training and use the remaining sample for testing the model. The test size used here is the ratio by which you are splitting the dataset. So this taking 21 elements for the training purpose and 9 for testing. And next, the linear regression model is imported and used the fit method to train the model. And after training, and after the model got trained, the predict method is called and the it predicts x values as these. And that's all about the prototype. And so, as the improvements, I have to find a real data set related to Sri Lanka and train that data set again and find and test algorithms to come up with the best and better outcome. Thank you very much.